If you ask a bunch of people recommendations of where to hang out in Seoul, I don't think any of them would actually say Jamsil. But the longer I'm in Korea, the more I'm starting to believe that there's no such thing as a boring neighborhood in Seoul. So today, there's no agenda, no schedule. We're just gonna walk around and explore. Let's go.
Oh, it's like a photo spot right there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really pretty right here.
We never got that far. Making out in my broke down car. Tries to change me, I was
We went up there.
All the way up. I can't reach. It's up there.
don't go. Breaking my heart just because I broke yours. It wasn't my fault. Don't say this is the end when we know there is more. A broken heart will never fix this. A broken heart will never fix this. Oh, 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 oh. A broken heart will never fix. Don't go breaking my heart just because I broke yours. It wasn't my fault. Don't say this is the end when we know there is more. A broken heart will never fix this. A broken heart will never fix this. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh.
This place allows dogs, so we had to come in. It's called New Zealand Story, is that right? New Zealand Story? There's this whole book with the explanation behind the name, but the food looks really good. Like the pictures look really good. It's sandwiches and salads.
First sip of coffee slaps.
The first sip of coffee always slaps. This is like the coziest place I've ever been.
Breaking my heart just because I broke yours. It wasn't my fault. Don't say this is the end when we know there is more. A broken heart will never fix.
It's not a cake?
There's 6 pieces. Hope it's not.
What is this? I thought it was a cake.
We thought it was a cake, but it's like foam.
Yeah.
What is it? It's like a cracker?
It's like a meringue.
Oh,
It's a meringue. It's not a cake.
this is not what we were expecting. We thought it was a cake. It's something called a pavlova. It's like a meringue with whipped cream and some fruit. It's kind of fun to eat though. I don't know if you guys have ever had like astronaut food. Kind of feels like astronaut food. We asked them if dogs are allowed and they said yes. So we walked in with Nala and after they sat down they were kind of like, I don't think they were expecting a husky. But we said she's super sweet and she'll just sit in the corner. And they said it was okay. They were expecting like a tiny little toy poodle or something that all the Koreans have. And it just sits on your lap. Nala can sit on our lap. It'll be heavy, but she can.
Don't say this is the end when we know there is more. A broken heart will never fix this. A broken heart will never fix this. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Broken heart will never fix. We never got that far. Making out in my broke down car. Tries to change me, I was too far gone. But can't you see?
What a cool concept for a cafe. There's seriously so many fun things to do and we don't have enough time today. We've had so much coffee, so many drinks, and so many pastries and we haven't even had dinner yet. I think this confirms there's no such thing as a boring neighborhood in Seoul. This is awesome.
Broken heart will never fix this. Oh, 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 oh.
taking a quick break at home. It is New Year's Eve, and we found out that Lotte Tower, which is right next to us, has fireworks and a countdown for New Year's Eve, which is an awesome coincidence because we haven't planned anything. We need to digest all that food that we just ate.
Come here, Paul. Good girl. Other Paul. Good girl. You sit. Sit. Lay down. Okay, let's go.
We're walking to the Lotte Tower to watch the fireworks. It is 11:50. 10 minutes to go. I feel like this has way more ice. Wait, this is literally all ice.
Yeah.
You gotta go on the brick. We made it. We're hanging out across the street from the Lotte Tower so we can get a better view, but it's right in front of us. The cool thing is we're standing on the sidewalk and every language is being spoken. It's not Times Square, but it's still a pretty global crowd here to watch. 3 more minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
너